if you like space, you like to drink, you're going to need a coaster. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's Halloween. Halloween. All the spooky creatures come out. That's when I go walking around because kids don't scream at me anymore. But one of the things that I love is Concord Aerospace. You have seen a lot of their stuff on my channel before because I just love that era of space travel, you know, from the 60s on, all that military-like switches. And they have some really cool replica stuff that you can buy. But they also have like the best sense of humor, like the Jewish space laser and all those other things. But one of the things that they have done recently here is made a couple of coasters. Now, I actually showed you my shuttle tile coasters because I was like, dude, whoever thinks about that? And I actually have a shuttle tile. I love it. And I love having coasters that look like that. And I can tell you where they are. They're on my refrigerator because they actually share some similarities with these coasters that I just got. Let's take a close look at them. All right, so this is what I've got here, a couple of coasters, and it's Gerbil and Kraken. Release the Kraken! And they have a ton of these things. I don't know, probably 20 or 30 different types, but these are Monstronauts. They are astronauts that are monsters. You get it? Monstronauts. But as you can see, this one's actually pretty cute. Gerbil's looks like kind of like a mean, angry guy, but it's kind of like an elf kitty. Kraken? Yeah, that's what I look like in the morning. But you can see they're all wearing astronaut helmets, and this guy's totally submerged in water. Pretty cool. I think they are ceramic, so you can see they are pretty thick. That's what I've always liked about the Concord Aerospace stuff, is that they are very nicely made, good quality. Then it looks like we have this plexiglass backing. I don't know if that's real glass or Gorilla Glass or something like that. But you can see here we've got some 3D printing right there, some really cool grossness on there, and we've got some nice ghoulish friends there. We also have these 3M felt feet here, but right here, this is where the interesting thing is with these, and it's the same on my Space Shuttle tile coaster. So pick those up, I think, if they still got them, because those are amazing. This is a magnet here. So obviously you can see, oh my gosh, it's almost kind of like superconductors. They won't go together on their own. Woo! Like that. But what this will allow you to do is put these, say, on your refrigerator. And you might be thinking, well, why would I need to do that? Let me show you. So this is why those magnets are so important. Here are my tile shuttle ones. But you can see the coaster is right here. Don't you hate when you're looking around for a coaster? You're like, are they in the drawer? Are they on the counters, on the side table? No, they're right here in the box that holds all the drinks. How smart is that? So what I can do here is I can just go ahead and crack this guy open, grab my elixir from in here. Yeah. Grab a coaster and just put this sucker down and be ready to have a drink. A nice banquet all my own. So if you want to pick up these guys, have yourself a little fun this Halloween, celebrate the great expanse of the universe, and dine on your favorite beverage. Well, I will put a link to these guys in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.